Class, we are starting the linear equations today. That is in exercise 6a, and that also I have give you the questions from here. So 7 in class 7, may you have done, not may, it is definitely it is there in that book. 7, class 7. Okay, so it is kind of a revision part you are doing from in class 8. Okay, now we will start the equation that we have a two equation, that is equation 1 and equation 2. We can see here that is 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay, now if I'm going, now listen students, that some of the students are saying that I'm going very fast, right? So if this is a video, so if you have any problem during understand or while I'm explaining, so you can pause it the video, or you can see the video again and again to make it understand clearly. Understood? So there is not any problem, because it will take too much time to send to the group. Okay, when you upload the video, it will take too much time. Okay, so may particular period will be spent. Okay, you'll be gone and you'll be doing the other period, so that time the video will come to you. So again there will be questions that why the video came on that particular period. So because of that, maybe the words and the explanation will go a little bit soon and quicker. So I have to understand that one. You can see here that we have a two equation, linear equations. So in this equations we have the two variables. Why it is said a linear? Because there is a two variables, that is in x and y. So we have to take out a value of x and y, okay, in from this equation. So we have here, there is two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So the equation, this is a short form of the equations. You can write like this also. Okay, so in the higher classes, as you are going to the approaching to the higher classes, so you can write the short form. Okay, so equation 1 multiplied by 2, equation 1. So we can shift it this 2. If you want to cancel it y, so we have to take it a y digits as well to exchange it and multiply it. So the equation 2 value we can multiply by equation 1, and equation 1 value we can multiply by equation 2. So we have shifted similarly as well. The 2 is went to 5 and 5 is went to 2. Okay, so by multiplying 2 8 is 16x plus 2 5 is 10y equal to 2 9 is 18, and 5 is 15x plus 5 2 is 10y equal to 5 4 is 20. So in after writing in this format, we have to write the opposite sign to cancel these variables, that is minus minus and minus. So there is a plus, if there is no sign there is a plus, and plus is there. So the opposite of plus is minus, opposite plus is minus, and opposite of plus is minus here. So we can cancel it this one, and after subtracting, after getting a subtractions, we have here x, and here is minus 2. Why minus 2? Because 20 is more than the 18. So we can cancel it and write it minus 2. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, we get equation 1. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we get 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Then 8 into minus 2, 8. Putting the value of x in equation 1. So in the place of x we can write it minus 2. Okay, the minus 2 plus 5y equal to 9. So 8 to the 16, minus will come here, plus minus minus, plus 5y equal to 9. So 5y equal to 9 minus 16 will go that side, that will convert into plus 16. The 5y equal to 25, y equal to 25 by 5 equal to 5 5 to 25. The x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. This is how you solve these equations. Okay, so all the rest of the equation is similar as it, but some of the equations have the decimal as well. So if there is a decimal, so there is no any problem. So you know how to do the decimals equations as well. Okay, so I'll show you once how to solve it. In this equations we can write it 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 6.2, 3x minus 0.4y equal to 11.2. Okay, so in this equation you can see only 3x is a number which is not in the decimal. So if this format comes in front of you, so how will do it? This one. So 15 by 10x we can write, decimal point will convert into 1, and after decimal will convert into 0. Okay, so that x 1 by 10y equal to 62 by 10. Similarly, 3x minus 4 by 10y equal to by 10. Okay, so this way also we can do, or directly whatever the decimal is there, so we can do it by the help of the decimal also, like as usual the decimal with the decimal we can multiply and write the format. So if you want to do like this, then first equation, second equation will be multiplied by 0.4 first equation, and second equation multiplied by 0.1. Directly we can do, there is no any issues. Okay. Now the next question is 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and 2x equal to 2 plus 3y. Okay, I am not solving completely because the method is same, only to format, changing format will be a different. Okay, the question number 1 is very easy. Now question number, like the question which is in a decimal form, that won't be convert into a decimal, but you can do as usual whatever you have a questions in the book. Okay, so after converting into a decimal equation, that will be easy for you to solve it. Now the second question is 2x plus 3y equal to 8. The first equation is okay, now the second equation you can see 2x equal to 2 plus 3y, it is in the right side, so we have in the first equations is in the left side. So in this format, how will convert 2x minus 3y equal to 2? So this will become as your second equation. Okay, so by that we can make it first equation and second equation. Now likewise, the last questions we have x by 6 by y plus 15 equal to 4, and x by 3 minus y by 12 equal to 4, 3 by 4. Okay, so convert this one into a normal equations. We can multiply, take out an LCM of 6 and 15, we'll get it 2 3 3 2 just 6 and 3 5 just 15, so 5 to 10 is 30. So x by 6 plus y by 15 equal to 4, so we'll get it 30. 6 5 just 30, 6 5 just 30 will come here, 5x, and 15 2 is 32y equal to 4, and 5x plus 2y equal to 4 is 12, 120. So similarly we'll convert this also, 3 and 2 will take out an LCM, will come here 12, LCM will come here 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, so इधर का 12 भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये 12 भी आ जाएगा, 3 4 is 12, 4x minus 12 1 is 12y equal to 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 is 19 by 4. Do the cross multiplications, so whatever the remaining part will be, that will be the equation 2. Okay, so this is the solutions of this exercise, so try to complete it. This is a very common question, it's going to come in exams. Okay, so this is also a very important exercise, so do it, that one along with the exercise 6b also.